Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 35 class select option from different table in Laravel 12. Question classes in Laravel 12 and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com and this is a contact for website related services. So please plus 919941588915. This is a number is available anytime contact. Let's start this video. This form is this project is already run and this is a localhost run and this project is already open and inside this localhost drive inside this available std drive inside this project is available. Let's click this is available to record is available. Subject, this is a class, class is available. This is a class and this previous video is a join query is a all implementation. This is a join query and this join query record is inside this show, but inside this is a new button is a implement add button. Let's resource view super admin class and list successfully available and this is a button tag is already implement, but this is a command. Please check this previous video and refresh this page. Successfully this is a show. Let's click this super admin class URL, paste here, add, save file and refresh this page. Working fine, successfully available 404. Let's same name copy, route web.php open, inside this is a route get and paste here. Class controller class and this is a name is a add file name, copy, add and save file. First of all this is a last close and save file. Working fine. Let's same name copy and this is a class controller, open this class controller and inside this is a add function is a create app http controller and this is a class controller. Let's public function add return redirect, okay, not a return return view super admin dot class dot add, save file. Let's same name copy, inside this is a new name is a create blade dot php, successfully create and hello. Refresh this page. Working fine, this is a hello. Let's remove and same here student and add file is the same, copy and close this and paste here. Inside this is a student is a remove and class same name is class is a save file and working fine. Let's refresh this page. Working good. Let's click this class, inside this available add class, all good. Let's first of all inside this available subject, but subject name is available. This is a subject name. This subject name is available. This name is inside this drop down is a implementation. This table is available. This table name is available subject. So this is a subject model is a model is available. This is a subject model. Same name copy this model and subject table is implement, copy, use app model and paste here. Successfully paste. This is a model is a paste $data is equal to paste and get subject. Second is available. Second is a name is available. Class open. Click this class and this teacher. The teacher model is already available as teacher. In this is a name is a get. This model name is a teacher model and this is a table is a include same name, copy, use app model and paste here. Save name. Let's copy this name $data dollar data is equal to paste here and get paste here. Let's dollar data is a pass this dollar same name copy and dollar data pass save file, and this is a name is a copy inside this is a add, and this name is a remove select class from controller name and this is the same name is a class and subject paste here, and this is a compulsory is a required like subject name option otherwise forest forest and the same name is a copy subject copy and paste here is dollar value end forest option value, and this is the id pass here, this is a dollar value same name copy and paste here, and this is the id. Second name is a set, this is a name is available as subject, inside this name is a copy and paste here, working fine. Let's refresh this page, let's check for a start is and successfully inside this is a remove, this is a remove and name my misstanding name, and refresh this page 100% is a working fine. This is a 2 time is available, let's remove option value select subject and refresh this page, and this is a working fine, this is a 2 is a available, this is a 2 all good. Next here same here teacher, this teacher inside this implementation same name is a copy and this is a remove and paste here, and this name is a sense, click this class and this is a teacher, this is the name is already available teacher, same here name, this is a name and this is a teacher name teacher, and this same name is a data inside pass here same name copy and paste here, successfully save file and refresh this page, good working, this is a fine, this is a 2 name is a available, this is a 2 name all good. Next this is the name is a sense, this is a teacher name, save file and refresh this page, working fine all good. Let's click this class inside this start time, end time and room number. Let's first of all this is a start time and this is a start time, my misstanding not a copy, this let's copy, double click copy, successfully start time same name is a structure, click this copy start time, and this is a time and this is a number, and this is a start time is a placeholder is not required, let's remove same name is a remove, this not use, end name, this is a end name this is a time and this is a end name, time, save file, let's refresh this page, working fine. This is all good. This successfully set. Start time, end time. Next is a only room number. Same name, copy and paste here, and this is a room number, and this is a tx room number, and this is remove, not a to lost of space. Less space is a not use this space, remove, otherwise not a database submit. And this is a room number, and room. Save file and class is a compulsory is a required. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And this is my official website, error solution code. And this is a VRL to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available. Please contact 24/7 every service every day. All good. Let's refresh this page. All good. This is a number is a implementation. Let's name is a already implementation. Placeholder, enter, enter room number. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully enter room name. All good. This is a all field is a step-by-step implementation, and this is the name is available, subject class, teacher class, start time, end time and room. And this is the by default is the implementation. Please write down this. First of all, this is the subject ID, teacher ID, start time, end time, and this is a room number, and this is all number wise is a name is a all successfully get. Please write down this code. The CRF token is already implementation CRF token, and this link is available. This link is the same name is a method is a post method. Copy and method is available. Post web.php open route post method post and paste here same name, and this is a class controller class store. Save file. Let's copy this name inside. This is a public function and paste here. dd $request all, and this is a request $request. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Inside this implementation, this is the math select, and this is a time select. And this is the room number is a 9, then submit. Successfully this is a all good is a available. Successfully good is a implementation. This database is a store. First of all, this is a name is already available. This is a database name is a available. This is the name. Let's step by step inside. This is a save. Let's same name is a table name is a class table, and this is a model is available. $save is equal to save, paste here and new. Next is a $save is equal to trim $request and save file. Second is a subject ID, a teacher ID, start time, end time, and last is a room number. $save, return redirect back with success record successfully create. And save file, and success message available, message underscore, this is a message file is available, this is a message file success, all good. And this list file inside, this is a include underscore message file, this is a message file is a include, all good. Let's refresh this page. Inside this is a 2 record is available, this 2 record, and this is a 2 record is available, all good. Let's click this add and set this is a math inside this Mohti, and this start time, and this is the end time in AM. Room number is a 04 and submit. Successfully submit. Let's refresh this page. Successfully inside this available, but return redirect same name is a copy. Inside this is a return redirect, paste here, and this is a remove. Save file and refresh this page, add, and this is a record is a create 1 record. Successfully 2 record is a create. Let's step by step 1 record is a create, and this is a 1 record. This is a only 4 record is available. Let's inside this click this 4 record is available. Let's new record is a create. This is a create math. This number is a create time, and this is a date is a create, and submit 05 and submit. Working fine. This is a record is a create, good, working, and record successfully created, all good. Inside this is a refresh this page, working fine, this is a all good. This successfully set any time. Let's new record is a create, good job. Inside this Mohbi, this is a name is a set, this is a date time is a different, and this is a PM. Room number is a 7 and subject, good, working. This is a 8 number is a working fine, and refresh this page, all good. This is a show. This is a video is a done. Only simple way is a implementation. Please write down this step by step this file, all good. This step by step file is a write down, all successfully set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.